7 morning habits that will change your life forever. 1. Wake up early. Early risers are more productive and start their day with a win. Set your alarm and claim your extra hours. 2. Drink water. Hydrate first thing to energize your body. Add lemon for a refreshing start. 3. Stretch. Loosen up with quick stretches or yoga to wake up your muscles and boost circulation. 4. Gratitude. Write down 3 things you're grateful for. It's fast, fun, and sets a positive vibe. 5. Plan your day. Make a quick to-do list and add something exciting to look forward to. 6. Eat right. Power up with a healthy breakfast like eggs or oatmeal. Skip the sugar rush. 7. Affirmations. Look in the mirror and say, "I've got this." It boosts your confidence instantly. Start today and watch your mornings transform.
Thanks for tuning in. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more health tips.